You are already sitting on lots of materials in your ChatGPT or Claude account that can be turned into viral posts for LinkedIn. Let me show you how in very simple steps. The first step is to use the research. For example, I recently updated my AI for Advocacy Workshop and I had already done some useful research inside of Claude. And now what I'm going to ask is, let's do a whole summary of this discussion. I want to create a presentation for LinkedIn or Instagram. I added some information about what I want to see, and then I specified the output. The result is amazing. I get a very first few drafts, which is pretty much ready to be published. I go to step 2, which is refining the structure and the content. I have a conversation with Claude on what I'm missing, what I would change, and then together we get to a final point where I am happy with the content. Now we move to step 3, which is downloading this presentation and uploading it on Canva. From there, you can adjust the color, you can change the position of the text, you can change the layout, whatever you need. But the most important step is the step 4, where you actually fill the gaps. In my case, I need to fill the gaps that I said that I would by uploading some screenshots of the report or by making sure that all the information in the presentation is actually accurate. The last step is going to be to download this Canva presentation as a PDF and upload it on LinkedIn. If you want to see this process repeated with more detail, I encourage you to join our Friday drop-in section that Leora and me, Sebastian, we run. They are every Friday. This Friday, we're going to focus on making viral content on a budget, but it's a recurring issue, so I encourage you to join. You can also join one of our AI for Advocacy workshops. We have workshops for every level and tailored to every team, from communications, policy, or social media. And in case you need more information, also every week we host information sessions where we tell you everything you need to know about how our community works and how to get involved. Hope you like this content. Please like it, save it for the future, and hope you have a great day. Thank you.